As you can see, the temperature outside is -7 degrees Celsius. Well, hey everyone, Stereo Bandit here once again. Today it's Thursday, the 14th of January of 2021, and it's also the very first video recorded in 2021. I'm gonna do a cold start of this 1999 Audi A4. Now looking at it, you might think that it's one of those regular 1.9 liter TDI engines or a basic 1.8 liter gas engine with either 125 or 150 horsepower. Well, this is the more unusual version. It's got a 2.4 liter V6 engine. It's got some really nice interior. I really like it. Wooden dashboard and everything. Not the most taken care of example, but still. Low kilometers. So 16,625 kilometers. And let's see how it does. Now this thing's got some sort of a sports exhaust on it and it sounds awesome. Let's gently rev it a bit because it's cold. Alright, that's enough. Alright, we're gonna bring it in and I'm gonna show the engine and whatnot. Let it run for a while. Here's the 2.4 liter V6 engine. It's got 30 valves and around 164 horsepower, and it really does move. This thing's the front-wheel drive version. Of course you could get it with quattro and what have you. Alright, so I brushed the snow off of it a tiny bit so you can actually see how it looks like. Color isn't really justified on camera because it's actually light brown. Kind of looks silverish on camera. Dog sticker. What's fun about this car is that it's actually been owned by a policewoman at some point. Alright, since it's been running for a while now and it's somewhat warmed up, let's rev it up a tiny bit so you can hear this wonderful V6 note. So there you go, this was a cold start video of a 1999 Audi A4 V6. Hope you liked this video. If you do, want a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and why not subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and I'll definitely see you next time. Cheers.